Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. If you're looking to move your Ethereum, ETH, from Kucoin to Coinbase in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but as always with crypto, safety first, double-check everything to avoid any costly mistakes. Let's dive in step by step. First, ensure you have active accounts on both Kucoin and Coinbase, and that you have some ETH in your Kucoin wallet. Start by logging into your Kucoin account. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets section and select ETH from your list of holdings. Next, click on the Withdraw option for ETH. This will open a form where you'll need to enter the recipient's address. That's your Coinbase ETH wallet address. To get that, quickly switch to Coinbase. Log in, go to your wallet, and copy the ETH address. Pro tip: always verify the address by comparing it character by character to prevent errors. Back on Kucoin, paste the Coinbase address into the withdrawal form. Then, enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer. Remember, there's usually a minimum withdrawal limit, like 0.01 ETH, and don't forget to account for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion. Before you hit confirm, review all the details carefully. Once you're sure everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification, and Kucoin might send you an email for security. Now, head over to Coinbase and keep an eye on your wallet. Transfers typically take a few minutes to an hour, but it could be longer if the Ethereum network is busy. And just like that, your ETH should appear. That's all for transferring ETH from Kucoin to Coinbase in 2025. Always prioritize security, like enabling two-factor authentication on both platforms. If this guide helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.